First they'll just see each other in the bazaar, at the Islamic bookstall. Oh, you like that tafsir too? I love that tafsir. I love Ibn Kathir, yeah, it's amazing. Oh, you love that surah too? Oh, okay. Oh, it's the last copy? Oh, I'll let you buy it. It's okay, please. It's innocent, it's nothing. It's okay, alhamdulillah. He said, Salaamu Alaikum. You said, Wa Alaikum Salam, he. You did a little bit. It was all innocent at first. And then it takes a little bit. Hey, do you know Abdul Kareem? Well, yes I do, Abdul Kareem. Oh, okay, I know him too. And somebody comes and says, hey, you can't say, do you know Abdul Kareem? Oh, is it haram? I can't even ask who Abdul Kareem is? Is it haram to talk to a brother at all? No, I can't tell you that it's haram. But you know what Shaytan's doing? Just a little, then a little. So are you on Facebook? Well, of course I am. Actually, I already looked you up. You know. Little by little. And then you'll say, but we're just texting. We don't do anything else. We're just on WhatsApp together. That's all. It was just a picture. It wasn't a video. It was just a picture. It'll be one justification, then another justification. Then it's just a dinner. It's with the whole MSA. Yeah, I know. How did he know that? Who told him? One thing to another, then I get the phone call. Brother Numan, do you have a couple of minutes? I want to talk to you. What's her name, bro? Well, you know, the Shaytaan, the 𝗟𝗞𝗞𝗘, he got us. Now I really want to marry her, but I'm 14 years old and... It's happened. Are all the other trees haram? No. All the other trees are not haram. But he's not even directly saying go to that tree. He's saying go to this one. Now go to that mountain. Check out this waterfall. Then go over here. Then go over here. And they're going and they think this has nothing to do with what? A larger plan. They don't see it, that this is part of a larger plan. And Allah is teaching us that's exactly what Shaytaan does. So what does he do with you? He tempts you into doing something. And when you do it, at first, it's not haram. I mean, it's not totally haram. At least I'm not doing, and then you can fill in the blank with your creativity. Because when kids get caught, they say, at least I didn't, and then they, But he only wanted to get you to the first milestone. Because from there, he will work on you for a month or two to get you to the second milestone. And then to the third milestone. And then to the fourth milestone. Eventually, you will be doing the very thing you said early on, at least I'm not doing, you'll be doing that. But he won't get to you immediately. He will work on you slowly. He'll work on you slowly. He'll work on a guy and a girl to develop an illegitimate relationship slowly.